Introduction to Plumbite Hotel billing software. Login with user ID, password, and select the financial year. The main menu will find the master where organization name, that is hotel name, will come, hotel name, logo, etc. Or GST number can be given here. And you find the inventory master. Here you need stock groups like kitchen and bar items, and come to unit master. Here each item for like tomato soup, cream of veg soup, sweet corn veg, all the items dealt by the hotel restaurant have to be shown. Also, if they are serving liquor, if it is a bar, and liquor items like beer and hot drinks, etc., with GST number, HSN code, MRP, discount, MRP, etc., has to be provided. This is the master creation. And come to billing. Here, billing, we have 16 tables, screens. Any table, if there is order, let's say table number 6. Select the item, quantity, and again, whatever number of items are there and quantity are there, just take it account. Say table number 6, 3 items, generate KOT, kitchen order token slip, to be sent to kitchen for preparation of item. Then say another table number 12, there is order. Say quantity, and again one more item, quantity 3, like one more item, quantity 2. The kitchen order token, generate it and send it to kitchen for preparation. Likewise, one more table, there is order. People are sitting there. The orders like on whatever item order. Ordered 4 items. I then generate the KOT, send it to kitchen. Now, if table number 6 they want bill, then click the bill amount. Bill will be generated. This thermal printer, you can use it to print the bill and give it to customers. Likewise, if there is one more table order is coming, take it. Like one more items, generate KOT, send it to kitchen for preparing. The table number 12 want bill, click it. Bill is generated. You can use a thermal printer to print it and give it to a party. Like this, you can continuously bill for all the 16 tables at a time and give it to the parties. This is the billing main menu where you can do the billing, etc. Then you come to reports. In the reports, you find that is daily sale items, all items sold with the GST collected, everything will come. Total billing item wise, total bill amount, say 1386. This is the amount and GST collected to be payable. Like this. Then you come back to another. All the reports like this are exportable to Excel, PDF, and Word. Either you can take the printout also and come down to next report, that is Daily sales already we have seen. Next report is sales summary. Here you will get the summary of the total amount of bills for the day with the total amount collected. Either if it is cash, otherwise if it is card, then bank will come. Then then comes KOT details. Kitchen order tokens generated for the day. You can go through it if you want to recheck. Again, all the reports are exportable to Excel, PDF, and Word. Then report comes to liquor sales. Whatever the liquor sales in a day, if there is any, then that will be separate report is generated for the liquor sale. Like this, it's the most easiest and the best software for bar and restaurant table-wise service billing software. Thank you.